This is called Eleanor.
Eleanor waits by the window, arms in a pool innuendo. Eleanor lords from above, rules with a push and a shove. Eleanor wins in the end. Eleanor has not a friend, pays for the sins of this life at Mass every Saturday night. Eleanor, tell me what have you lost in this life? Eleanor, tell me what have you won? Eleanor, is it worth all the pain and the strife? Eleanor, what's it like to feel nothing inside to your never once asking, does this seem okay? Constantly bashing till they've run away. Whole generations crushed under your thumb. No realization, these things you have done. Now you're done. Well, Eleanor, Eleanor, tears stain the path where you go. Eleanor smiles like she knows this bitter dark veil you have hung. It's black as a coal miner's lung. Eleanor, tell me what have you lost in your life? Eleanor, tell me what have you won? Eleanor, is it worth all the pain and the strife? Eleanor, what's it like to feel nothing inside to your no it's asking, does this seem okay? It's constantly bashing, they've all run away. Whole generations crushed under your thumb. No realization, these things you have done. Now you're done. Eleanor, 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 Eleanor.